In the workshop, I have seen how all women, not only me, but all the women in the workshop, we went from and we noticed that we have this big power. And I saw all the women, and thought to myself, we are goddesses. We have this crazy big power inside of us, all of us. It's such a pity that we're keeping it small, or we don't know about it. I didn't know about it. So yeah, just this big openness and this big power that we women have. Yeah, I was very busy with my own process, but watching all the women go through their own process and also feel their power and feel what they're feeling. For some, it was really big grief and pain or anger that came up that showed me this is also okay. This is all normal. This is all okay. So that felt really transformative to me also to watch other women go through what they're going through. For me, what came up was not the anger or the pain. It was just my power. It was this it was this openness and this creativeness that I can yeah, that I can be big, that I can have this power. That was coming up for me, and I was so satisfying. I felt high on this experience. Yeah, it was the first time that I did a workshop only with women. The energy is very different. Felt so just like you can let go. I could let go, and I could really, yeah, just be with what's coming up without holding it back and without being like, oh, I should not, or without these thoughts. It felt very protected and warm. So I have already done the workshop of nonviolent communication, the connecting with children with Marije. And I have to say, I'm a bit of a fangirl. That's why I signed up for the voice liberation without even knowing what it is. And I was not disappointed. Marije is fantastic. Her calm and slow way and her authentic way makes it really easy. It models for me how I would like to be, just to be non-judgmental with yourself and with others, and to give calm and peace that I really appreciate it. I really like that feminine presence that she brings. And that's something that I would like to practice. And for me, it works like this. I have to see it with someone, and then I can also kind of find it out for myself. And her knowledge, all of the things that she knows, these crazy exercises that had such a big effect on me. I'm really, really looking forward to the deep dive experience and to go deeper into this whole topic, because I feel there's so much to be still like savored and learned, and I'm really looking forward to that.